Hello, guys. As I was going through some of the contents and websites, I found a very interesting concept about budgeting that I think, will help a bit in calculating our funds. So, thought of sharing with you all. In our daily life, wonder, we generally try to find out how much to save. Whatever we are earning out of that, what will be the appropriate amount to spend and how much we can save. And there are not only needs, there are some wants and desires of ours also, and our family members also, that we would love to fulfill. So I think this thumb rule will help us a lot. This is known as 50 is to 30 is to 20 rule of distribution of funds. This all have to, obviously, after paying or keeping your taxes aside from whatever you are earning, because paying the taxes is also very important. We are not planning to save by escaping the taxes. So whatever we are earning, after the deductions of the taxes, whatever is left, that is known as disposable income in economical terms. And out of that disposable income, that is totally ours. Now it depends on us that how we are going to use this fund to fulfill our needs, to fulfill our little desires of ourselves and our family members. And simultaneously we can save also for the future, which can grow further. So out of this amount that is left, what we can do, we can allot 50% of it to our needs. That is very much indispensable. That is required for our smooth, comfortable life, daily life. That is mandatory. For example, you can say paying your regular bills, your grocery shopping, your school fees of children, and their requirements, their daily requirements, your monthly medications that are required. All these are our needs. So 50% of the disposable income can be allotted to the needs. Now after we are done with our needs, now we can think of our little desires or wants. It could be, for example, some new purchases for our children, any sort of new stationeries that they want, particularly their wishes, and some new gadgets that may add some more comfortability in your life and make it better and easier. And this is only one life we have got, and there is no sense of living it just for the sake of living it. We need to enjoy it also. So that 30% from that remaining 50%, after allocating 50% to our needs, we are left with 50%. From that 50%, 30% can be allotted to fulfill our these small desires and wants that will make our family members happy, which will in turn make us happy. And then the rest, whichever is left, that is 20%, that we can save. I found this concept very interesting and very comfortable too. It is not much straining. It will not put so much of stress on saving. And simultaneously, I think it is also giving importance to our needs. We are not sacrificing on our wants or desires, we are also giving them some importance in our life. And the saving has got the some place in our earning too. We also develop the habit of regular saving with this thumb rule of 50 is to 30 is to 20. I found it very interesting, and believe me, I am going to put it into my life. Hope it will help you also to plan out your wants, your need, and your savings. I'll keep on coming with interesting facts like this. If you like my videos, don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe and like also. Thank you for watching. Happy investment and happy savings. Stay safe.